This 2023 Winnebago Voyage V2730RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a Cobalt interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, spare tire kit, external shower, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, TV antenna, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Voyage V2730RL is 7,464 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.